Fiverr is one of the most popular platforms for freelancers and clients to connect, and it's designed to make buying and selling services easy. But how exactly does it work? At its core, Fiverr is a marketplace where freelancers, called sellers, create services called gigs that clients called buyers can purchase. These gigs can cover almost anything, from graphic design, writing, and video editing to social media management, voiceovers, programming, and even niche creative services. Each gig includes a description of the service, pricing options, delivery time, and sometimes extras like faster delivery or additional features. To start using Fiverr as a freelancer, you first create an account and build your profile. Your profile is your opportunity to showcase your skills, experience, and personality. You then create gigs that clearly explain what you offer, set your pricing, and include visuals or samples of your work. Fiverr allows you to offer multiple packages for each gig. For example, a basic, standard, and premium option, so buyers can choose the level of service that fits their needs and budget. For beginners, starting with smaller, manageable gigs is a good way to gain experience, gather reviews, and build credibility on the platform. For buyers, the process is straightforward. You search Fiverr for the service you need, browse gig listings, and review ratings, reviews, and portfolios. Once you find a freelancer you like, you can place an order directly through their gig or contact them first to discuss details and ensure your needs are clear. Fiverr handles payments securely, releasing funds to the freelancer only after the work is completed and approved. This ensures protection for both buyers and sellers. Fiverr also has a review and rating system. After a project is completed, buyers leave feedback, which is visible on the freelancer's profile. Positive reviews help freelancers attract more clients and grow their reputation, while buyers can rely on these reviews to make informed decisions. Communication is another key part of Fiverr. The platform provides a built-in messaging system for discussing project details, clarifying instructions, and ensuring the final work meets expectations. Clear communication helps prevent misunderstandings and builds trust between buyers and sellers. In summary, Fiverr works by connecting freelancers with clients in a secure, convenient marketplace. Freelancers create gigs, buyers purchase services, and Fiverr manages payments, reviews, and communication tools. It's an ideal platform for beginners, side hustlers, and small businesses looking for quick professional services. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tutorials and tips for freelancers and online creators. Thanks for watching.